In this video, we will show you how to work with Applique. Applique field type has been redesigned to become even more flexible, easier to apply and customizable. A nice tip to remember is that by enabling the cutting technique, you can use a digital cutter to pre-cut applique parts. Let's take a tour then. We will begin with this elephant design to create a nice applique design. We will change the body, the head and the ears into applique. One important decision is the fabric trim. The fabric trim option that you select affects the way the applique design will be embroidered. There are 3 options available. Use the applique during embroidery. The machine stops and you need to cut the applique before proceeding with the rest of the design. Use after embroidery. This means making the whole design and then cutting the unnecessary parts. And the third option is to use pre-cut applique pieces, which you can easily make with your cutter if you own one. So we will set all applique parts to pre-cut and we will later show you how to cut the pieces. Apart from the fabric trim, we need to select the decorating stitches of the applique. There are 3 options available: fix zigzag, fix E-stitch, and fix satin. Any of these options sets the outline width at 3 mm and then adds the respective outline stitches. Zig-Zag Fix is a satin serial outline with increased density. E-stitch is a running outline with an applique style. Satin serial adds satin serial with standard density. You can always adjust the options of the outline or use any other style you like. Now let's see how we can cut the applique parts using a cutter. We will leave the design as is in order to embroider it later. We will select all the applique parts and copy them. Paste the applique objects into a new design and enable the view of the cutting mat. We will now move the parts a little further apart from each other so that we can cut them all together from the same fabric. Now we need to turn on our cutter, prepare the fabric and place it onto the actual cutting mat. It is important to adjust the cut settings to be suitable for this particular fabric. Since we're using an artistic edge cutter, we will select the fabric cutter preset before exporting to the cutter. With these arrows, we can move the cutter head and place it on top of the fabric that is to be cut. We can also trace to make sure that the design fits in the fabric. And when you're ready, press cut and the cutter will do the rest of the job. When all the parts are cut, you can use them to embroider the whole design.